All right, you're going to complete a walkthrough for MA.1.3.1 overviews page. The student will determine the value of a collection of coins, pennies, nickels, or dimes, whose total value is 100 cents or less. Take note of the content specifications on which you will grade and determine students' proficiency. Instructional resources. Pay attention to the VDOE lesson, which is the best entry point into any format, small group, whole group, independent. It includes questions, general prompts, other assessments, as well as extensions and connections, strategies for differentiation, and sometimes it has resources such as a game or charts that you can provide to the student. For the Go Math resources, make sure you have class link opened up. My computer doesn't want to cooperate. But make sure you have a class link opened up and then click on the link and come back to this overview page and click on the link. If that doesn't work, then you can copy the title of the link and paste it into the Go Math URL once you open up Go Math in class link. So always open up Go Math in class link before you attempt to assign it. And if you still experience difficulty, you can always search it from Go Math in class link. There are an abundance of exemplars, online resources to consider to help students in their understanding. 3-act task, which I would love to come in and model or conduct with your students. This one is the snack machine. They always watch a short video. All right, sometimes you need to watch the video, let the students rewatch it again just to kind of get information. They notice and wonder, share out their questions, and then you come together as a class and determine a main question. For the second act, you give them additional information, and you don't talk about this, you just give it to them. At the first grade level, it might help to say that this is 60 cents. $0.05, 30 cents, 55 cents, 80 cents. And then the kiddos get an opportunity to work through their strategies to determine the answer to whatever the main question was that they came up with. By the way, the 3-ask task will tell you what the main question is, and in this case, it's how much change did you get? And then after the students have had an opportunity to solve and come up with an answer for their main question, you play the final video. And the students see. Make note of vertical articulation because you might want to pre-assess with a quick check from kindergarten on recognizing the attributes of a penny, nickel, dime, and a quarter to see where your kiddos are. Teacher notes are very important. There's a lot of information here to help you with the conceptual understanding of the task. And then you have your assessment. I reformatted the assessment to make it a little more kid-friendly. Just make the font bigger. And I know the second graders at least Lincoln Park have trouble writing, so I imagine maybe the first graders do as well. So I added line paper in there. Not line paper, but lines for them to record their responses. They might even need like a word bank, I imagine, because the second graders struggle. All right, so explore this overview page, see what instructional decisions you need to make for your kiddos, and then you're going to share out in the document